Want to level up your in-app transfers on Taptap and start sending those virtual gifts and items like a pro? Alright everyone, let's dive into how you can transfer within the Taptap platform. First things first, understanding what can be transferred generally. You'll be able to send and receive virtual gifts, in-game items and currencies. Depending on the game developer's settings, this is important to note. The specific transfer options vary based on each game's design. Step 1. Open up the Taptap app and navigate to the relevant game or section where transfers are allowed. For gift transfers, look for the gifts icon or the gifting section within a user's profile. For in-game items, you'll usually find the transfer options within the game itself, after pressing the game logo. Next, when giving a gift or item, choose the item or gift that you'd like to send. Then there should be an option to specify the recipient. This could be by selecting their username, profile, or through a custom identification number. Make sure you're sending it to the correct person. Afterwards, review and confirm your transfer details. This is the most important part. Check the recipient, the item, and the amount carefully before proceeding. A confirmation screen will usually display the cost, if any, along with a reminder. Once you are absolutely sure everything is correct, tap the confirm or send button. The transfer will then be processed. You'll probably see a loading symbol or a brief animation to indicate the transfer is in progress. Finally, check your transaction history or inbox to see if the transfer was successful. You can usually find this in your account profile or within the game's settings. Remember, the transfer process varies between games. That's it. Now you know the basics of transferring within Taptap.